Are you wondering if you should sell your house this year? To help you decide, think about what's motivating other sellers and see if those reasons resonate with you. According to a recent survey, the top reason homeowners are thinking about selling is because they want to make a profit. The fact is, sellers have the upper hand today, and that means you have a great opportunity to maximize your sales potential. The second most common reason is the house no longer meets the owner's needs. If you've been in your home for a while, it's likely your life and needs have changed from when you bought it. Maybe you need more space, it's a different location, or updated features. If that's the case, it could be time to find a home that works for what you need today. The decision to sell your house is a personal one driven by your needs and goals. If you want to make the most of today's market, let's connect. This is Jim Starwell, leader of the Star Home Team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. Talk to you soon.